And this is the train bridge right here that people are walking on, and it doesn't matter if the train's coming or not. This is a well-used rail line here. It's a local train that comes through here. Here, let's take a look at this. Just hiking through. A lot of people waiting for the train here and killing time on the bridge here. Look at this. Unbelievable. Look at this view. Holy crap. Look at this. Train comes at 4 o'clock. If you're a rail fan, this is a dream. Look at this. Look at this view. And look at the tracks. And people are hiking along the track. In Canada, this is illegal. Huge fine, huge jail time for this. Oh, look at these views. Absolutely stunning.
Where did Bernie go? She went back up that way. Oh.
More people walking the tracks. Train's coming soon though. If the train comes, we're screwed. Anyway, train time soon. Peace.